Your Place Inside and Out is sponsored by HP Home Service Team.
There are situations where there is a need to replace the HVAC unit in your home long before they've aged, which can often be around the 10 to 15 year mark. Now, on occasion, this can happen with units that are either too large or too small for the space they're installed. If your equipment is too small for the home, it can work both harder and longer than a proper sized model, which ultimately puts more wear and tear on the system. Conversely, if the unit is too large, it cycles quickly and spends time contending with unresolved humidity problems, causing unnecessary stress and faster wear. If you're unsure about your HVAC system or you're having any issues, be sure to reach out to our local professionals who can help.
Trust the HP Home Service Team for all your plumbing and HVAC needs. From protecting your home systems with a maintenance agreement to the peace of mind knowing we're available 24/7, 365, the HP Home Service Team is just a phone call away. Home serviced better since 1914.